in action, bridging theory and practice in data science and deep learning. Today's sessions have been extremely enriching and provided a strong start to the program. The first session on fundamentals of data science and AI by Dr. Father Anil George K was very insightful. Dr. Anil George explained the core concept in a clear and structured manner, making it easier for us to understand the basics of AI and data science. The second session on understanding data, probability, and statistics thinking for machine learning by Dr. Bindu Krishnan was very informative. It gave us a solid understanding of how statistical thinking forms the backbone of machine learning. Overall, both sessions were well organized, informative, and interactive. They have sparked curiosity and set a positive tone for the upcoming days of the FDP. I sincerely thank both the resource persons and the organizing team of Department of Computer Science and Applications of St. Mary's College, Thrissur for such a wonderful beginning. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Our first session was led by Dr. Father Anil George K, Vice Principal and Associate Professor, St. Thomas College, Thrissur. And he began with a simple example of a cooking recipe to introduce the concept of data science, which made the topic relatable. And the demo sessions were simple enough for even a +2 student can grasp. And he also discussed different types of AI research challenges, different learning techniques in machine learning, and the basics of deep learning. And also, the session was a strong and motivating foundation for the FDP. And in the next session, Understanding Data, Probability, Statistical Thinking for ML by Dr. Bindu Krishnan, Senior Statistician, Data and AI, IBM Kochi, was also very informative and insightful. In spite of not being well, ma'am, you have managed the session with great dedication and clarity. You have also explained the role of probability and statistics as the foundation of machine learning in a simpler manner. And your effort and commitment are truly appreciated, ma'am. And the session provided us with valuable learning. And I also sincerely thank the organizers and Adel for providing us this valuable learning platform and for excellent coordination for today's sessions. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, before we conclude, I kindly request at least 3 participants to share your quick feedback on today's sessions. Your reflections will add more value to this activity.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Arun giving my feedback here. Both the sessions were very informative and was very engaging, and it was a very great experience for me. And the sessions were insightful, especially Mr. Mohammad Afsal has given me given a very good approach and the various approaches for ML algorithms, and the sessions were very insightful. And he's much focusing on the practical session and the industrial session. That was very nice here. And the session 6 about the unraveling neural networks, Dr. Sailesh Shivam sir. And a special thank to you, sir, because you gave a very good delivery of understanding, the better understanding. And being a mathematics one, the way you conveyed and delivered things was very nice. And it was a very great experience. Like the way even I understood was very good. The way you delivered things was slow, steady, and very approachable. And it was very nice. And we have learned a lot here. And special thanks to the organizing team for providing such a very good platform for the faculty development and upskilling their knowledge. Very thankful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
We have also shared the feedback link in chat. Kindly make sure to fill it out as it is essential for certification and for improving future programs. With this, we officially close day 3 of the ATEL FTP. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Wishing you a pleasant evening.
Thank you.
Now, before we conclude, I kindly request at least 3 participants to share your feedback on today's sessions. While sharing your feedback, kindly switch on your camera.
Good evening, all. On the fourth day of FDP, we had 2 sessions handled by a resource person, Dr. Venkatesh sir. I feel the sessions were highly informative, interactive, as well as interesting, sir. In the first
Thank you.
session, was on introduction to deep learning, the theoretical foundation and core concept. It provided a clear understanding of fundamentals of deep learning, foundations of neural networks, the backpropagation, and the chain rule, etc. It was explained in a systematic way. After that, the second session, the modern deep learning architecture, CNN, RNN, and transformer. It was a detailed session handled by the resource person. He covered the CNN architecture, the parameters, pooling, max pooling, type of pooling, different types of CNN architectures, such as LXNet, ImageNet, etc. And finally, a detailed session on AI tools, Alter AI Studio. It was really a wonderful session as a researcher as well as an academician. Overall, both sessions were really valuable as both as academician as well as the researcher, sir. On behalf of all the participants, I sincerely express my sincere thanks, sir, to Dr. Venkatesh sir for delivering such a insightful session. I also thank to the coordinator, Ms. Bersimis, and all the teachers of organizing teachers of St. Mary's College, Thrissur, for organizing such an insightful FDP, and also thank all the participants for active and enriching participation. Once again,
You are from which college?
Okay, I'm from Government College,
Yes.
Kasaragod, sir. Government College,
Kasaragod, very good.
Kerala district, Kerala. The
Yeah, I
northern
know
part-
because I worked in Mangalore, so I know that. Yes.
Oh, very sir, thanks. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Thanks
much.
for your feedback. Yes.
Good evening, sir. I am
Good
so
evening, sir.
happy
Good
to
evening.
I'm so happy to tell that I was really able to bridge the theory and practice between this data science and deep learning on this fourth day of this adult online FDP. Venkatesh sir, Associate Professor of NIT Puducherry, was able to describe the details from introduction part of data science to deep learning areas, modern, and in the second part, as the topic mentions, modern deep learning architecture with the help of Alpha tool highlighted. So even though at the initial time, sir was very busy with traveling, he was able to take the classes in a very interactive session without any presentations. Then explained and interacted with the audience with the basic feature engineering and differentiated machine learning and deep learning at the initial stage. Then thank you for introducing this max pooling, then sharing the importance of CNN for vision, speech recognition, and the relationship between the input parameters and output parameters, lineage. All the talks were very, very helpful. All the topics motivated us to learn the new developments, highly informative, and in a very interactive way you presented. Thank you, sir, very much. Thank you once again for all the coordinators
Thank
for
you, sir.
organizing this event. Thank you.
Sir, which college you belongs to? Prasad, sir. Prasad Joseph, sir.
I belong to Federal Institute of Science and Technology, Angamali, FISAT.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Good evening, sir. I am Daya Naik
Yeah,
from
good evening.
Mangalore, sir, from Srinivas Institute of Technology. And I would really thank you for insightful session on both deep learning, starting from fundamentals to the modern architectures of CNN. It was really explained in a nice way. Anybody who did not have any basics also were able to understand the things. And the introduction to the new AI tool also was very helpful for us. It will be really helpful to use it in the area of research as well as teaching new things to students. And we really thank the organizing college and the Department of Computer Science, St. Mary's College. And also we thank Dr. Venkateshan sir for his for sharing his insightful knowledge on the topics. Thank you so much. It was really informative and a great
Thank you, madam.
session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all for your valuable feedback.